How's it going everyone, VerticDesigns here, and for today's video I'm going to show you all how to create a vertical video for TikTok, YouTube Shorts or any other platform. Now the first thing that you want to do in Vegas Pro 20 is go ahead and select the phones and tablets. This will allow us to also change the resolution to either 1080p if you're going with 1080, or you can set it to 4K, completely up to you, but then you can click on the create project. Now, once you've got yourself a new project, we're going to drag and drop the video into the timeline. And you'll notice that sometimes it will reset it back to normal. Since this video is a widescreen video, you can see it's now reset the width and the height to 4K. And to fix this, it's really simple. All you need to do is go ahead and copy the width, paste it into the height, and then just swap it around to 2160 times 3840. If you're doing 1080p, then this would be 1080 times 1920. From here, I would also recommend to save this as a template, save it right here, and then you can apply it to start all new projects with this template right here. You can then go ahead and press apply, press OK, and as you can see, Vegas Pro has now created another problem because it has kept the aspect ratio. If you want it like this, then that's completely fine. But if you're looking to actually fill the screen, then I would do it this other way, which is to simply go ahead and click on the event pan/crop button right here. And then in here, all you need to do is go ahead and first of all, unlock the aspect ratio. And we're going to set the width to 1212.8 times 2154.3. And as you can see, this will now fill in the screen. And once again, you can save this as a preset just by typing, let's say TikTok at the top. Go ahead and click on the save icon. And next time you could just simply click on the TikTok right here, preset. So now all you need to do is go ahead and close this down and continue with your editing. You want to, let's say, cut this down to the area you want it to start. So for me, it's right about here. Press S. We're going to delete the first half and then drag this to the start of it. You can then double left click on here to create a loop region. You then want to disable the video preview just to make the rendering much quicker, and then go to the render as. Now, once again, you need to make sure that you create a new template which has the correct width and height. So once again, we're just going to have a look through the formats. Now in here, we just want to scroll through and you'll see a Internet HD and there'll be a 4K right at the top. If you want to record yours in 1080p, that's completely fine. But you just want to click on Customize Template and we're just going to change it in here to a custom frame size. We're going to swap these around to 2160 times 3840. We want to make sure it's set to high. My video is 60 FPS, so I'm going to set this to 60. You want to use the blocking filter, and we're going to set the bitrate to 66 and 85. Now, I know this is a high bitrate for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. However, personally for me, I found that using this bitrate just seems to work better for me. But if it doesn't work for you, then you just simply want to lower this number to something like half. And then we can also change the mode to NVIDIA. We're going to change the preset to a nice high quality VBR and also set the audio to 384. From here, we're going to save this template as TikTok, and I'm just going to call this a test. Once again, click on the save icon, click on OK. We're going to click on the star and then show favorites. And all you need to do now is simply give this a name. So we're just going to call this TikTok video and then go ahead and press render. Once it's done rendering, we can open up the folder. And as you can see, this is the video that we've just created. And that is pretty much it. That is how you create a vertical video for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or any other platforms in Vegas Pro 20.